There's just nothing more satisfying than to come out and see the impacts that I can do to our native landscapes. Hall Ranch is home to all sorts of wildlife. We have golden eagles here. We have a very healthy mule deer herd. And a lot of what we do is to enhance those wildlife aspects of Hall Ranch. The cheatgrass has been around for a long, long time. I think it's been around so long and without any real great controls. I think land managers just felt like we're just going to have to live with it. With the fact that Rejuvra came along, it's really opened the door for that management and providing us an incredible restoration tool on these sites.
You have to go back and understand the cheatgrass and how it functions. It actually germinates in the fall and then overwinters and comes up really early in the spring. And so it is sucking the moisture out of the soil before any of our other native plants even get a chance to use that moisture, eventually even starting to kill off a lot of our native grasses, our forbs, and a lot of native actually shrubs that are very important for wildlife. Rejuvra has helped us in controlling the cheatgrass because it gets down into the soil and it'll sit there for 4+ years and keeping the cheatgrass from germinating and giving our native species a chance to get up and get going and compete with the cheatgrass in the future.
The return on investment with this product is tenfold. It just is astonishing to me. I mean, studies have proven that your crude protein contents go up, the forage quality goes up, your forage abundance goes up. So we've seen sites out here that we've done studies with go from 500 pounds of native biomass to 12, 15, 1,800 pounds of native biomass in the following year. And the invasive grass biomass dropped from 800 down to 20 pounds. I mean, it's just astonishing what you get on that return.
I have been working, recreating, and enjoying Kurt Gowdy State Park for over 30 years. And being able to see the park explode with wildflowers that I have seen 30 years ago, being able to see that, bring my grandkids here to see it is going to be so very rewarding to me.